Hello guys, welcome back to the trading desk where we talk about the daily movers in the market, specifically my trades, the good trades that I took, the bad trades that I took, why I took them and why I thought they were a good idea. Uh, and also learn basically to gain the knowledge, or I guess learn from my mistakes on and what I could have done better, and overall just to give an overview of the market today. Okay, so today was a pretty non-dramatic day. I'm break even on the day. Um, Even though there's a big mover of 158%, it at the max I think I was around 200%. I just the whole move was made 10:30, which is not my daily trading hours. There was a move at round one. So basically, right here, before even one came up, the traders that are already in started moving it, but I wasn't on. I was a bit late, so I was around 105, which is bad. I need to be right on time. I actually wanted to be 15 minutes early. So 12:45 or 12:40, I think it's a good time to sit down. Uh, I didn't. I traded this, but a bit later. So here at basically 1 to like 2 o'clock, nothing happened. Like there was no news, no market. There's literally the market was still like nothing happened. Like I took my first trade, as you can see, at 2:13. So that's about 8 a.m. American time. It made a great move right here. Didn't capture it. So the first trade I took was at PAPL. So it was for a breakthrough 9. It was at 2:13. So let's go right here. What was my idea? Don't look at this bottom hotel, because I think the chart is messed up. It started rising, right? Let's see the volume here. It's kind of messed up. So it started rising right here at 208, little bit. Then kind of had this pullback, 213, right? It squeezes up. I'm like, okay, if it breaks 9, I'll get in, because it had this nice volume, right? With the small red candle, the MACD was open. Here the volume was great, right? The relative volume was great, and the only thing was it didn't have news, but I'm pretty sure it was a continuation setup, so I was okay with taking a trade, even though it was basically an A-quality stock. The float was nice as well, and even though there were no A plus quality setups, like it didn't have news, I think it was an okay trade to do. So it pops up right here at 8:39, 2:13, pops up, goes for 9. I bought exactly at 9. It goes up to 9:26 and immediately flushes down. So I'm like, okay, waiting still. My stop loss is around 890, so 10 cents, pretty low. And then it goes up again and it goes down. It hits 890 and I get out. It fills me at 889. So small loss, it's fine. No, it didn't break through. And then, which I'm really angry about, same thing happens. It kind of curls back up. Volume, as you can see, increasing. A small red candle, and then boom, right through 9 here. Boom. Look at this. 1050. That's a lot. So if I just bought right there, basically what I was waiting for this to happen. If I bought right there, I mean, it would have exploded. I would have made $150, and it would be nice. But still, bailed out. Great, right? And then nothing happened. Like there were no news. 2 o'clock as well. 2:30. So this GPOR started rising. It's a meme stock, but it started rising, as you can see here at 2:30. Rising. I'm like, okay, no way it passes this resistance level, right? It had this like resistance level. It hit it right here as well. So I was like, no, it doesn't go. It passes the resistance level, no problem. Increasing volume. This was the MACD was open. No news. I mean, it had news, but it's a meme stock, right? Goes up. I'm like, damn, it's really going up. So on this pullback right here, goes up, touches the 9 I buy right there, right? I buy right there. Why I bought was the volume was increasing here, very nice, right? The red, I mean the volume that was selling was low, lower than buying, and I was like, great. So I took the trade right here, the dip trade. My stop loss at 227. I took it at 235. It goes up, right? Touches 248. I'm like, okay, break to 250. Seeing the volume, the MACD was open. This went up. I'm waiting for this volume to show that it's going up. It goes down, and it is a bullish candle, but because of the volume, I was like, nope, got out at 245, $10. Great, flushes down, right? I'm like, okay, this stock is done, right? It's done. Switch to AMOD, starts popping up. 240, right? It starts popping up. I'm angry about this as well. Starts popping up, and I'm like, this is what I see, right? I see this. I'm like, what are these news? Like, secures national rights, okay, to deploy kiosks, right? Look at these candles. Look at topping tails, right? Topping tail candles with like no indication of big red candles, small green candles. I'm like, no, I don't want to take this trade, right? But I guess it just pops up. Look at this, like out of nowhere. Like, it touches this and then boom, 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 you know? And it just went. Like, it's still going here at 225. I think this is a really hard trade to take. I mean, I wasn't watching it, so I didn't miss the move, right? I took another trade. The only, probably if I started watching it, it goes down, it rises back up. I would have bought it 160 and hoped that it would break 265, and my stop loss would have been like 250, right? 257, 258, like really tight here. And because I knew if it was gonna break 160, right, this topping, it would have broken 165, right? It's not a big spread. It did, and I mean, it rose up, very nice move. Micro pullback as well here. You could have bought these two, and yeah, very nice move, but I didn't capture it. Not too mad about that. And the last trade I took while that was rising was again on GoPro, because it just continued. Like, after this, I was like, okay, it's done. But I guess it wasn't. It was another pullback. Look at this pullback. I mean, it starts rallying back up again, right? It goes to 40, 243. I'm like, okay, right? I buy this. I buy this micro pullback right here. Buy this micro pullback right here, because the red candle was nice. The MACD was open. Buy it. Goes up, goes down. Waiting. My stop loss. I bought at 255. Stop loss at 250. Waiting. 5 cents, and right here, as it's approaching 260, I'm looking at the volume. It's lower than the red candle, right? I'm like, nope, I'm out. I didn't want to see it flush. And not only that, I know I wasn't gonna make a lot of money on this because it's a meme stock, and not only that, it didn't have the room to go down. It was going pretty slow. Look at the level 2. I mean, there's so many. It's so popular. There's like 15. I think there was like 33 million volume, right? It's crazy. So yeah, that was oh, sorry about that, don't know how this happened. 55 right now million volume, so crazy. Still made a few bucks, as you can see, few bucks. 50 I got filled. Basically break even on the day. Yeah, break even on the day. It was a nice day. What I learned today was this was a great step back from a losing week. It was great to see that I made the right moves. The trades that I took weren't at all bad. I took my stop losses. I didn't overextend it. I wasn't waiting, right? These trades that I took right here with the pullbacks and GPRO were great trades. They could have even, like, imagine this, if the spread was bigger, I would have made a lot more money. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy that I'm kind of getting my momentum back. You know, slowly but surely. So the lesson I learned that was patience. You know, there weren't any good stocks today to trade. I mean, I did take a few trades, but they were calculated, and plus they were A quality, at least I think, except the meme stock. PLPL was moving at least. Waiting for news, right? Waiting for the A plus stock. If everything lines up, I'll buy. If not, no. And I think the only thing that I like, the real problem I have is patience. I really want to get in, you know, Like, I like trading. I love it. It's nice. I find it very fun and very actually teaching about life, you know. But not to get too philosophical here, my point was the lesson I learned was patience today. Waiting an hour and a half on the computer doing nothing, no trades. And yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching and hope you have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you later. Bye.